Welcome back to the Elanix AI YouTube channel, where we help you save money, time, and avoid the headache. Today I'm going to be taking you through a very beginner-friendly video on how to create your first AI chat agent for your business, allowing you to streamline and automate all of your customer relations, or at least a section of it, making the job much easier for you, generating leads while you sleep. So let's get straight into it. You're going to want to head over to ManyChat. The link will be in the description. ManyChat is a beautiful platform that we use to host and create a lot of our chat agents for our clients. And what makes it so super is the layout is very intuitive, and they allow you to deploy your agents to WhatsApp, Meta, which means Facebook, Instagram, Messenger, I think even Telegram as well, very easily. So that makes it a great choice. Like I said, link in the description, as well as any other links you might need to use for this tutorial. So this is an overview of what we'll be building today. A very simple chat support, chat type of agent that will engage with the leads, take them to where they want to go, answer questions, and convert them to warm leads, which is extremely helpful, and it will do that 24/7 while you're off doing whatever else you need to do. So this is not taking up your time. I'm going to just show you a quick preview to give it a glance of how it works. We're going to open our messenger, and what we've just done is we've activated or triggered the automation. And once all of this loads up, as you can see over here, it says, "Hey there, Ewan, welcome to Elanix AI. How may we assist you?" And what's really awesome about this is I'm going to show you how to set up everything from the custom name variable you see there. So if I say visit website, it's going to take me directly to the website with a short little loading screen. And just like that, the customer is able to book a 15-minute call with us, and that whole process has been automated, where beforehand, if you're a small to medium business, you might have had to answer that yourself. Same thing with book a call. It will take us straight to our calendar software, where they're able to schedule a 15-minute meeting where we can discuss how we're going to transform your business with AI and scale your workforce in an unimaginable way. But anyways, here they can select their date, and if they say services, the agent will provide them with a short little overview, and it will confirm if our question has been answered. Let's say yes, it has, and it's going to say awesome, how else may we help, and give them the two options. So like I said, very beginner friendly, simple, just to get your little feet in the water. So we're going to go back to ManyChat, and I'm going to go to automation. I'm going to create a new automation, and we're going to be starting from scratch. I'm going to show you step by step how to build this out. So the first thing we're going to do is add a trigger. Trigger is like the car key for AI agent. It's going to switch on the engine as soon as it's activated. So the first thing we're going to select here is user sends a message. Detect specific words, and in these keyword sections we're going to choose common greeting lines or messages the user might send. So I'd start with the word started. That's just because of how Messenger works. We could add all of the common ones. And these aren't case sensitive, so you don't need to stress about capital letters or anything. The system will just read the word. What else? What I would do, a good tip for you in this tutorial, is we're going to add some question words, because clients might just message you their first message as a question. What do you do? How much are your products? How long can you do? In how much time can this be done? So we're going to scan for all of those type of words as well. Hi, hello, hey. We'll just add AI in there, and they will create. Okay, click create. right there. So now trigger is created. As soon as they send that message, the automation will get running. The next trigger I like to add as a backup is new contact created, and that just means as soon as a contact is created, it's going to have the same effect as the first trigger. That's useful for if you're implementing your chatbot into WhatsApp, but I digress. Let's continue. Now after that happens, we're going to engage the customer, and we want the first message to be the best one. It's almost like the impression, your first impression. And the best way we're going to do that is by saying hi there, and you open a curly bracket. You're going to be presented with your user fields or system fields. Basically those are like variables, and if you're not sure what that is, if I click first name, the first name variable is basically what the system will read on the person's profile. So if someone from Facebook, their name is Michael John, that first name will be replaced with Michael, making it seem a lot more personalized, a lot more human, a lot more real. And that's very good, very great stuff that we can do there. And I'll also insert an emoji. Assist you today. How may we assist you today? Okay, and then you want to also name your messages just for organizational. You don't want it to end up having a whole lot of untitled things. That can make a mess. So just start from the beginning, naming what we're doing. So greeting message, hi there, first name, how may we assist you? For this tutorial's sake, to keep it short and easy, I'm just going to add two buttons, one taking us through a direct hyperlink and the second one taking us through another text message as an answer. So the first one would be visit website. So let's say you have a website you want your customers to visit. We type in there, visit website, open website, go over to the site in the top bar here. Sorry, just copy this URL, come down here, paste it in, and then you can click done. So now that button is connected. So as soon as they click it, like you saw earlier in the video, they'll be taken to the website. The next one, you're going to type in services. Okay, that's all good, done. Now what you'll do with this button is you'll take it to another message. Seems to be loading, and then this is going to be a messenger, and we're going to scroll down to data collection. Within data collection, text, I've made 3 of them, and data collection in ManyChat is extremely important. It allows us to extract and accept files and inputs that the client sends to us, which we can then work with to do some pretty cool stuff. So this one, I'll just go back to my website and copy what I have written here, what my team has written about us, paste it in there, and then follow up with, did that answer your question mark. Then you're going to click on contacts reply. This is very important. We're going to save the response to a custom field. You probably wouldn't have this response field in here. You'd click new user field, you type in response, fill a nice description in if you want to, but then you would just click response, and all that means is it's going to be a little block response, and every person that replies, their response will be put in there, and that's what's going to allow us to work with that piece of data. So now we can go to the next step and add a condition. Now we'll say, does the condition or the contact match any of the following? And basically, in essence, what we're doing is we're scanning to see if their response contained the word yes or any type of affirmative word indicating that their question was indeed solved. So here we can just play around a bit, and it's not the most accurate way to go about this, but in terms of beginner tutorial as well as cost effectiveness, we don't need to introduce any LLM or advanced AI functionality. We're just using statistics, I guess, or the branching flow workflow to get this done. We can say okay. We could even just scan for the word if it has does. So if they say it does, so then if it does and they say it, my question has been answered, we'll take them. Okay, wait, sorry. Let's duplicate this first. Okay, come back to the greeting, duplicate that, bring it up here, and then in this duplicated greeting we'll say, that's great, first name, how else may we assist you? Then we'll take the green node, plug it into this block, and that just means if they say yes, they take into this greeting. That's almost a response, the way it's put. That's great, how else may we help you? You want to be smart, we could actually delete this button showing that it's already been clicked on. So the only choice is to visit the website. And then if it doesn't, we can go here and we can say messenger, and we can say I'm sorry about that. System field, first name, and then we can just make a sad, I don't know if an emoji, I'll put a sad emoji there. I'm sorry about that. Please contact us on the website. Okay, and then we can just leave it. I think, yeah, that's pretty good to test. Right now we have a bit of a flow. We haven't looped anything. We're not gonna go over looping right now, but this we are able to test out and see how it works. So I'm actually pretty excited. What you want to do is come up here to preview. ManyChat is another awesome feature. It lets you preview and test live inside of ManyChat. That's good for complex, very big automations that we do for our clients, and I just tested from the system. But if you really want that authentic view, you're gonna say test with Messenger. Click the Messenger button, open Messenger. You're already getting messages from our chatbot. And as you can see, it's triggered the automation as if we have sent them a message or ourselves a message first. And it says, hi there Ewan, how else may we assist you today? That first name, it has scraped and picked up from my Facebook profile. So if I say services, it's going to take you through the flow we built. We create AI chatbots, virtual receptionists that help businesses handle customer inquiries, bookings, and support 24/7, improving their service, saving their time. Did that answer your question? And I say, yes, it did. That's great, how else may we assist you? Visit website. Now we can test the other way this can go down. We say services, they give us an answer. We say no, it didn't answer my question. I'm sorry about that, Ewan. Please contact us on the website. So there you have it. What's cool is I tried to make this video like 5 times, and this time coming around I've been able to condense it, so we can really learn as much as you can with as little time as possible. So just to recap, today you learned about triggers and how to trigger an automation, what would make an automation, what would trigger an automation. So for example, just to show you, we could really expand on this, and we could say as soon as they scan a QR code, this automation starts getting into play. And that's good for workplace professionals. One of our services we're working on is like a business card, and as soon as your business card gets scanned and they get your contact detail, your AI agent will message that person saying, hey, seems like you scanned my business card. Let's carry on talking, whatever the case is. So that's pretty cool. So there's a lot of things we can do here, but you learned about triggers, you learned about buttons, variables, contact reply, storing that reply into a variable, conditioning. You learned about actually knowing when to split the workflow, yes, no, and having two different outcomes for that. And overall, I think this is a good place to start. If you have any questions, leave them in the comments. I hope this helped. And if you want some of these AI agents, top class, top tier, you know where to go, Elanix AI. You can hit us a message on the website or message our agents and we'll be very happy to help you. Like I say, I hope this helps you avoid the headache, save money and save time. Enjoy the evening. Have a good one.